Good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn about the different animal specimen and their features. The first animal specimen that we are seeing here is a liverfluke. This belongs to phylum Platyhelminthes. As you can see, it is a dorso-ventrally flattened organism. Now, as you can see, this is a second organism. This is an earthworm. Earthworm, as you know, this is pinkish in color. Normally we see it around in a monsoon. It has an elongated cylindrical body with bilateral symmetry. Okay, this animal has segmented body around itself. Okay, and through skin it will do its respiration. Okay. This organism that you can see is a prawn. This individual animal, it is called as the cephalothorax individual animal which is there. Okay. This animal is normally, it has head, thorax and abdominal region as you can see. Okay. This animal is a butterfly as you can see. It has wings and it belongs to the Arthropoda phylum and specially Haemocylum that it consists. This is a starfish as you can see. It is called as Asterias. It has 5 equal. We find starfish in marine regions, okay, and for osmoregulation as well as for other activities. It uses its tube foot on its lateral ventral side. This is a cartilaginous fish. It is rohu as you can see. This fish is completely structure. This fish as you can see, it is a rohu. It is a bony fish. Entire skeletal is made up of bones and it is a purely marine fish. As you can see, its caudal fin that is divided and that is used to move its body by changing the direction. This organism, it is a tree frog. Now as you can see, it is an amphibian, so it has 3-chambered heart and you can see the hind limbs are extra long and you can see this organism respires both in water and as well as in air. It has lungs for respiration. This is a pigeon. This belongs to the class Mammalia. It is aves. As you can see, this pigeon here, it is having the different features adaptive like feathers. See its beak that is quite pointed for having the omnivore diet. Okay, they take up the small insect as well as they take up some grains. See its pointed claws, okay, as well as tail. It is used for rudder. Now, this organism as you can see, it is a rabbit. It belongs to class Mammalia. Especially, it will have 4-chamber heart. And this organism is a mammal, so it is covered with a fur as well as it uses the sexual reproduction. It gives birth to a baby and takes a very good parental care. See its eyes and the long ears which are used particularly for hearing sound. Its hind limbs are extra strong to take a huge leap. These are the features of the different specimen for the kingdom Animalia.